Hello. Me and Daniel are getting ready to go camping tomorrow. I'm so excited. We leave in T-minus 9 hours. Nah, but really? I just need to get a lot of stuff out of here. Definitely gonna bring my bathing suit. So cute, so cute. And I feel like this is a practice run on guesstimating what to bring. So it'll be interesting. Gotta bring the pajamas, like 5,000 underwear. Alright, this is what it's looking like. Got the toiletries, every outfit. First day outfit, check. Bringing these cute little shorts that have pockets, and then this shirt. And then I'm bringing these shorts, which I think give off the hiker vibe, with the various pockets. This cute little sports bra, because it's gonna be hot. And then this shirt to go over it. And then I got my sporty fit. This is gonna be the hiking fit. Yeah. And it's reversible, so if I'm feeling colorful, I can wear this side. Boom. And boom. Okay. I got my bathing suit and some shorts to go over it. And these are so perfect because they're that like waterproof material. I'm bringing one of these sarongs. I don't know which one. This is kind of a hard color to pair. I'm thinking this one, but there's purple on it. And the purple doesn't match. Or this one. And then a sweater because it gets cold at night. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But if it does, I'm prepared. And then of course, you gotta bring a bunch of socks. Stacked, just in case, ladies, you know. If you know, you know. Then I have all my toiletries that are gonna go in here. So I have this cute little shampoo, conditioner, body wash, deodorant. Oh my gosh, that fits so perfectly. How aesthetic. And then some lotion. And then I'm also gonna put my sunscreen in here. So that way, it's all separated, good to go, no spillage. Boom. Okay, final touches. Gotta bring my Bible. My toothpaste, found it. Isn't this the most perfect, cutest little travel size? Gonna throw it in here. I'm gonna be so prepared for Cancun. Y'all don't even know. Okay. I'm gonna take this hat and my baby's Obey hat, but I don't. Baby, do you know where your hat is?
No.
Okay, I'll find it. I found the hat. Okay, y'all. This is the vibe that I was trying to go for, so I think I'm gonna take these with the socks. We're going with the socks. So these two. Getting. Oh. Okay, so I have this. Okay, that's my Benadryl. I have this container bag for when we go on the airplane. I need to bring my face wash. I don't want to bring it in this big old container. I'm gonna throw it into this one. Oh. Okay, interesting. And we're just gonna pump as much as I think I need. That should be good. Throw it in the bag. For moisturizer, I'm gonna throw this moisturizer in here. Is you feel me? And boom, there you go. I know it's kind of big, but it's better than taking this big old thing. So, yay! I think I'm all good now. Toiletries are safe, spill proof. Got the hats, sunscreen, and then my moisturizer. Is it gonna zip up though? Boom. Got my Bible. Oh, I also have a reading light in case I want to read at night and not disturb people. And luckily, my bag has a strap. So, leave that strap together. And boom. We're good to go. This is gonna be a test to see my packing skills for Cancun. Being on a camping trip and forgetting something is fine. Being in another country and forgetting something is also fine. But I would prefer not to. And that concludes this pack with me video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Oh, I gotta bring my contacts. Let's go do that. That would have been bad. I don't know. For you glasses wearers, you guys can relate. When you're in hot weather and you're wearing glasses, it's just not fun. So I'm gonna bring my contacts. I thought I had a mini version of this. Oh, found it. Okay, that's the end of this pack with me video. I'm just gonna rack my brain for a few more things and hopefully I don't forget anything else. So I'll see you guys in the next video.